incredibly smart. She blows my mind every single day, and she's so beautiful. Every time I look at her, I just absolutely melt and just fall in love with her all over again.
I kept replaying Joni Mitchell songs because it was Joanie and Joanie, and I just kept thinking about that Wednesday date and how I couldn't wait to hang out again, and how just it was really cool how the stars just seemed to be kind of aligning.
It is beautiful.
We've been able to follow your love story, and it's been a great love story. So today we're all here to continue your adventure and to go and follow the next chapter as you become wives and start your own family.
You've chosen to be with someone who enhances you, who makes you think, makes you smile, and makes every day brighter.
What can I say about my sister and Joanie, other than they are two amazing people, to which I love dearly. And this is gonna be a little difficult for me, because it's hard to look at my sister and not cry in this moment. And I am just overjoyed that my sister has been able to find someone so special to her.